Hi, this is the Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon, and you'll see here this down section with all of the invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just hold it and drag it to this up section. Just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove some of them from here by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.